So today I'm gonna be doing a fabulous review of this fabulous ensemble. So this is designer Gianfranco Ferre, made in Italy from Neiman Marcus. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so this is Python Anaconda coat. This is a vintage coat. Look at the scales on this. This is a size 16, but when I saw it decades ago at Neiman Marcus, I had to have it because I like the style and the cut. It is a big piece, it is huge, but I do like the design, and I figure I can wear it over a coat or over like this sequin fringe set and with them sequin thigh-high boots. So this is how it looks, and I'm combining it with this custom made for me python, black python skin hat. You guys know I do love hats. I absolutely love hats. I went to a magnet school, FGCE Enugu, and we had to wear berets. So I kind of have an affinity for berets and hats and headbands. And then of course I am gonna have it with my rhinestone sunglasses and the rhinestone bag and the silver bracelet and silver ring. And so I think the black color of the jacket sort of mutes the shiny silver of the skirt set. What do you think? And so it has no closure, so it's supposed to be draped like this. I actually modeled this for the magazine, the online magazine. I can't think of the name. I'll try and put it on the description below. And this is what the back looks like. And it is a very, very generous cut and very, very drapey cut. So this is the look. So what do you think of this fabulous, fabulous Gianfranco Ferre outfit? So it's now time we're modeling of this outfit. Music, hit it! fabulous Gianfranco Ferre python snakeskin coat. Let me know what you think of the outfit, and let me know what you think of the fringe outfit, and let me know whether you think it's so fabulously ooh la la to combine the two, the python snakeskin coat, drip coat, over the fringe sequin skirt set. Let me know what you think. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try and find ways to make the process fun for you. So I am having fun making a lot of vlogs for you guys when I am not lecturing or relaxing or chilling out. So thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for being with us. And please do keep safe and protect yourself, and do hit the subscribe button up here and down below, and do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified when next I upload a fabulous vlog. So till next time when I upload, thank you so much, and thank you for joining us today. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que mercia. Mwah.